Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to manage who can see your friend posts on your profile on your Facebook. Maybe you want to limit it, so you want to manage who can see your friend posts on your profile. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you will be directed into this home page. And then now, to manage on who can see your friend posts on your profile on Facebook, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Once you are in this page, you simply need to scroll down. And you'll see in here the settings and privacy. Simply tap on this drop down button beside it and you will see the under settings and privacy, you'll see here settings. Simply tap on this settings. And then under the settings and privacy, you will see this preferences and audience and visibility. In here, to manage on who can see your friends' posts on your profile on Facebook, simply tap on the profile and tagging. Once you tap on it, under the viewing and sharing, you will see this who can see what others post on your profile. Simply tap on this friends and you can manage and choose an audience. In here, you can choose everyone, friends of friends, friends, or friends except specific friends and the only me. There you go. If you want to manage on who can see what other posts on your profile, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how to manage on who can see your friend posts in your profile on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.